Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're back. We're struggling, but we're back. Lots of cleanup after the storm. Yeah, not much fun. But we're getting there and trying to catch up on my videos. This is a radio from Jeff, which is kind of very appropriate because it's a weather radio, emergency radio. And it's like a 2018 vintage. He got this about 10 years ago from a sporting goods store. It's a Motorola AM, FM, and NOAA weather band. Does not have NOAA weather alerts. It's analog tuning. There's a dial right there. You have two sources of batteries, either nickel metal hydride rechargeable battery or AAA batteries. Band select. Over here we have tuning, on-off volume, and a nice cloth carrying strap. Does not have a kickstand, but it does have a charger, crank charger. That's nice. Telescopic antenna and solar charging and a light. And you can use the DC output to charge your cell phone, for instance, or you can use a USB input to charge nickel cadmium rechargeable batteries. Very good shape. Like I say, he says that he bought this new. And on here, on the dial, it has the charge and power indicator and whether you're tuned into a station indicator. I got it on the NOAA band right now. We'll turn it on. We'll extend the telescopic antenna, which is very, very short, probably 15 inches. And we'll turn it on, see if we can pick up NOAA. Yeah. Showing it's tuned in.
Northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop. Friday.
And let's see what other NOAA channels we can get. There is just numbers for the NOAA scale, 1 through 7. So we're on like 3, I think. Let's go to the bottom. There's number 1. Nothing there. There's 3 again. Should get 1 more. Nope. No, there it is. Number 7. Okay, we'll go to AM. And it most likely wants me to face it this way because the stations are that way. And we'll turn the volume up a little bit. Let's see, which way is up? That way is up. Okay. And we're at the bottom of the AM band. Let's see what we can find.
We got to move quickly. Whoa. So that's the P and the Aleph play. Now appreciate daily. That sounds like a no-brainer.
Tune light is on, so it says it's tuned in. There's another one. It's a weak one.
They're done. Raiders need, listen, 300 gold.
Yeah, it's doing good. Pick it up. Lots of stations.
Retinal detachment or increased risk of
smooth tuning.
Take the body somewhere. It's 2020.
Yeah, it's getting them all. Okay, now we'll go to the FM band, which I can turn back towards the camera. And we're at the top of the band. Try to stay away from music. As
and kid cut up.
Sound quality is good.
24. Your home, stress-free. Hi, this is Mark.
Very sensitive. Picking up a lot of stations.
So he was like a
Partly cloudy and gorgeous again tomorrow with a high.
Yeah, that's a change.
hospitable you are and how you make our home.
Yeah, it's doing good. Nice little radio.
Could save money on car insurance by checking all.
Vida. Reportó para ti en...
Going kind of fast. Don't want to get stuck on music. Even if it's Spanish.
The retooled anthem is a way to call attention
That's
to an
probably the
unprecedented crisis.
Tampa station, which
Habitats are vanishing.
usually
Up to
is an
1
indication
million
of good
species
reception. Okay, that's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is a nice little radio. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm presenting something that you're interested in and not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.